Having trouble with the speaker on your Samsung phone? Fear not! In this video, we've got the ultimate fixes for you. Let the troubleshooting begin. First things first, consider removing the case, as it can sometimes muffle or obstruct the speaker. Then, maximize the volume to the highest level to check if it's working properly. If that doesn't do the trick, check if your phone is linked to a Bluetooth speaker or wireless headphones. Head to Settings, navigate to Connections, and tap on Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to another device, disconnect it and see if the issue is resolved. If there's no external connection, give the speaker a good clean. Use a dry toothbrush to gently brush away any dust. And if all else fails, give your device a restart. It's a simple fix that can work wonders. Hold down the volume down button and power button simultaneously for a few seconds. Then tap on Restart. These fixes will restore the speaker to normal on your Samsung phone. Now, subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos handpicked just for you.